Hi, Pipeline CRM team. Welcome to the dashboard. Today we will be talking about the pipeline tile. Over here, you can see that we are in the sales pipeline. We're looking at active deals this month. I click here. I can start filtering. If I have different pipelines, I can scroll through each pipeline. It will tell you what pipeline you are up here. We're going to go back to the sales pipeline. You can see your active deals, or ones that are expected to close this month. You can also change the time frame, today, yesterday, this week, and so on. If I change it to say last year, there was 5 deals last year in that sales pipeline that were active. You can also create a custom range here. By default, this pipeline tile will be filtered for you. If I click here, you can see that. You can change, you can add users. You can remove yourself. Make sure that when you're done filtering and you'd like to keep it how it is, that you save as new dashboard. Depending on your plan, the Grow plan is the only plan that can save multiple dashboards. Let's save this one. We'll call it Sales Dashboard. Click Save. You can then scroll through and find different dashboards. You can also totally remove this tile by clicking Remove. No worries, you can always add it back by clicking Add to Dashboard.